What is shutter speed in photography? The shutter speed determines how long the shutter remains open to let light pass through and reach the image sensor or film to create an image. The shutter is made with two curtains or blinds. The shutter speed helps control exposure, which is one part of the exposure triangle. The other two are aperture and ISO. Shutter speed is usually measured in seconds and is represented by fractions of a second. You'll usually see shutter speed numbers like these. Longer shutter speeds are also used for astrophotography or long exposure shots with a neutral density filter to get a blur effect in the water or sky. With the introduction of mirrorless cameras, a camera can have a mechanical shutter, electronic shutter, or both. An electronic shutter processes the light one row of pixels at a time via the image sensor. You just learned shutter speed in 100 seconds.